Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at someone and thought, damn, they just that look? It's not just about expensive clothes or crazy designer brands. It's something deeper, something you can easily master. Today, I'll show you how you can transform your entire fashion game in just 3 simple steps. And trust me, step 2, nobody ever talks about it, but it changes everything. When I was younger, I thought fashion meant buying the latest sneakers or whatever my favorite celeb was wearing. But even after spending money, I still didn't feel stylish. Because real fashion is not just what's on you, it's how you carry yourself, how you feel. I learned this the hard way. So today I'm giving you the shortcut, the 3 secrets that actually worked for me. First, let's talk clothes. Wearing good clothes doesn't mean blowing your wallet on luxury brands. It means wearing clothes that fit you properly. Fit is king. Even a simple black t-shirt and jeans can look amazing if they fit you perfectly. Colors matter too. Basics like black, white, navy, grey, they're your best friends. And cleanliness? Iron your shirts, clean your sneakers. These small things make a big difference. Because when you look polished, people automatically respect you more, even before you say a word. If you're ever confused, just go for neutral colors and classic fits. Simple is greater than complicated. Now here's the secret step people miss. Your skin. Your skin is literally your first outfit. You could be wearing the dopest jacket, but if your skin looks dry, tired, or dull, it kills your whole vibe. And the cheat code? Eat good food. Add fruits, veggies, nuts, healthy fats into your diet, oranges for vitamin C, avocados for healthy fats, almonds for that natural glow. Trust me, after 30 days of eating right, you'll see that no outfit can fake. You won't just better, you'll better. And the final step? So basic yet so underrated: water. Most people are walking around dehydrated without even knowing it. When you drink enough water daily, at least 2 to 3 liters, your skin becomes clearer, your eyes become brighter, and your energy shoots up. Water flushes out the toxins that make you look tired or bloated. A hydrated face looks healthier, younger, and naturally more attractive. Carry a water bottle with you. Sip throughout the day. It's the easiest glow up you'll ever get, for free. So let's quickly recap. 1. Wear clothes that fit and keep them clean. 2. Eat clean food to build that natural glow. 3. Drink more water and stay fresh all day. It's that simple. You don't need crazy money, crazy brands, or crazy routines. Real fashion starts with how you treat yourself first. Look good, feel good, good. If you found this helpful, drop a comment saying, level up, and share this with someone who needs a glow up too. And hey, remember, you're just 3 steps away from your best self.